Hi guys! So today, let's talk about labiaplasty service at Viva. So ang labiaplasty ay para sa mga babae na may enlarged labia or excess tissue na pwedeng mag-cause ng friction, discomfort, bad odor at minsan, infection. So after magpa-labiaplasty guys, mas nagiging neat at healthy ang intimate area, mas nagiging komportable sa daily movement, at mas confident sa pagsusuot ng fitted clothes. So ito po ay minor procedure, around 30 minutes to 40 minutes ang tinatagal ng procedure. Under local anesthesia, kaya minimal pain at mabilis ang recovery. Usually 5 to 7 days, balik na for follow-up check-up at stitches removal. Plus, sa Diva, may free hair removal at intimate brightening session kapag nagpa-labiaplasty ka. At if combined with vaginal tightening or perineum tightening, may 3 free aftercare session ka. So, if may question ka pa, send us a private message. Sa Diva Aesthetic, free ang consultation at mahahanap mo pa ang pinakaangkop na service na bagay sa'yo.